Hello guys, so this is how to add music to your project in Descript. So first thing you're gonna need to do is just open up Descript and open up your project. I have my project open here. So there's the transcript, there's the video, and all I need to do to add music to this video or to this project is if I look at the right sidebar and I look at the very end, the very bottom, you're gonna find music. Just click on that and then you're gonna find two blocks. So one for music and one for sound effects. If you wanna listen to what this music or sound effect sounds like, just click on the play button and it's just gonna give you a sample of what it sounds like. So I just wanna know what the cinematic whoosh sounds like, for example. I'll just click on this play button. Okay, yeah, sounds good. Okay, so I want to place this in my video or in my transcript. So how do I do this? I can do this in two ways, both by clicking and dragging. So I can click and drag and then place it where I want it to be in the transcript. Or let's do a sound effect this time. I can just click and drag and place it on the timeline itself. So let's say I want it in the 25th second. And then it just loads it here. And now if I want to delete a sound effect or music, I just right click and delete track. Or you can also do it from the timeline as well. Just right click and delete. And yeah, this is how easy it is. This is how to add music and sound effects to your projects in Descript.